Today I will show you how to install a faucet from Lava Odoro. You can find these faucets on faucetorsink.com. Well, my first impression is it's very well made faucet, stainless steel. I don't think the installation will be too hard. Actually, I think the only tools that we're gonna need pretty much a screwdriver Phillips #2 and pliers. Before we even start, let me just show you what exactly we're gonna do. We need to remove this big nut that has 2 screws on it, actually 3. Okay, so this whole thing here is inserted into the pre-cut hole into the countertop, and then all of these elements are going to go on the underside of the countertop. So let me show you how this is done. Like I said, all of this goes in. Okay, so this is fairly large, so maybe this part needs to go in first. Okay, remember you need this seal here on the underside, this rubber seal. Okay, and you want this logo facing forward, like so. Okay, now let's go on the underside. We will be using this. I recommend that you unscrew these screws like so, so they're flat or just slightly recessed. We're going to see why in a minute. Okay, so we're underside of the sink and faucet here, so we're going to use this rubber washer in the metal ring. There is a slot so that you can easily put them in like so, and you push it all the way, and you want to hold it there like so, and then we're going to use this big nut, like I said, with 3 screws in it, that also goes through like so. But obviously, once we get here to the thread, we need to start turning it like so. There you go. You can tighten it by hand here. You don't have to be super strong, but just really as much as you can by hand. No tools required at this point. Okay, by hand, like I said. Now I would go on top just to make sure that it's even and level and straight the way I want it, and I'm gonna tighten all of these screws, and this will be phase 1 of the installation. See, it's a little crooked right now, so it needs to be even parallel to this line here, like so. This swivels, but this here needs to be parallel to this line here of the sink. This also doesn't matter. This will be the on and off valve. Okay, and now we can tighten it. Okay, here we go. These 3 screws with a regular Phillips #2 Phillips #2 screwdriver. You want this pretty tight. It doesn't matter if it's laminate or butcher block or granite or quartz. You want it pretty tight. Okay, there you go. It's really strong. It doesn't move anywhere. Again, this is the on and off valve. So let's work on the next part. So now we need to connect this line here very easy. It has two O-rings, so we'll just shove it in here. And it clicks, doesn't come out anymore. Okay, unless you probably press that button here, it'll come off, but we're not gonna do that right now. And then this is the weight that pulls on the shower head of the faucet. So you want to really put it about this height on this side, so there is tension. And you just click here. Here you go. And it's in place. Okay. And as you can see, we have these two supply lines that are color coded for hot, red, and blue for cold. I'm just removing these transportation plugs to protect your supply lines. Okay, this is the hot into the valve. Right now I'm tightening just by hand, and cold is here. Again, tightening by hand. Okay, well, I recommend you use pliers once you tighten by hand, and then do maybe like a fold turn, like so. There you go. Okay, now I'm turning the water back on from the valves. Okay, see, no leaks. Oh, actually there was a drip, so I need to tighten it a little bit more. Happens. Okay, no leak anymore. But this needs to be pretty tight then. Definitely not just by hand. Wow. Okay. Needs to be really tight. Okay. I recommend that you test it. Okay. Well, this should be it. Let's try if it works. But we did the connections. We have this here, the weight. Let's see if it works. Hot, cold. Shower head, you can pull it down and retracts because of the weight that we put. The shower head moves in all directions. We have the shower head function and this flat as well. Oh, so this is how we install this beautiful faucet from Lava Odoro.